Hello and welcome to this quick session on installing Thales CipherTrust Ansible Collection. My name is Anurag Jain and I'm a developer advocate with ThalesGroup. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to download and install CipherTrust Ansible Collection on the same node where Ansible's controller node is set up. I'm also going to give a very brief overview of the layout of the collection itself and what it does at a very high level. We will be adding more videos soon with detailed functionality of some of those modules. So moving on to the next slide, Thales Group's CipherTrust Ansible collection is a free to use and open source uh, code under MIT license. And as you can see, it offers a list of modules that can be used to interact with various CipherTrust Manager APIs to perform different actions like provisioning the users, user groups, keys, and also configuring connectors like data protection gateway, CipherTrust transparent encryption, and so on. As you can see in this snapshot, these are some of the modules which are available as part of this Ansible collection. And the link to the GitHub repository is part of the video as well, as part of the video description as well. Okay, now coming to the real stuff. So we will be installing the Ansible collection. I already have a Ubuntu machine where I have installed Ansible, and I'm going to use the same machine to install the collection. So as you can see, I have Ansible running and the version is 2.15.5. And I'm just going to run this command Ansible Galaxy collection install thalesgroup.cyphertrust. And this has installed the collection in my local Ansible machine. And this has pulled the repository from Ansible Galaxy. So as you can see, this Thales Group CipherTrust collection is part of Ansible Galaxy. The instruction to install the collection are right here. And the source code itself for this whole collection is hosted on GitHub, and this is a completely open source collection. You can you can contribute to it, you can raise any issues with this, but yeah, this is where you can find the source code of this collection. Okay, the Ansible collection itself is installed. In the next video, I will give you a quick overview how you can install, oh sorry, how you can use this Ansible collection to perform simple operation like creating encryption keys on CipherTrust Manager. Okay, so with this, thanks a lot for attending this session. Here are some important links. So Thales Group's community forum, where we post a lot of articles around how to use the Ansible collection and some of the corresponding use cases, the Ansible Galaxy link and the source code. And all these links will also be part of the video description. And as always, thanks for listening to me. And I will be posting new videos very soon for some of the use cases around this Ansible collection.